see those boards, signboards? We're passing through Pench Tiger Reserve, where they've built these amazing infrastructure or road over bridges so that the wildlife can go underneath the bridges. Look at that. There's a very fast moving highway, so there will be a lot of cargo vehicles, a lot of trucks, bikes, cars, right? So the wildlife here needs to be protected, and the central government has done a great job in terms of making this infrastructure for the wildlife, not for us. We all have to remember that we are living in a world with the wildlife and not in a world where we are and they are just accompanying us. I think that mindset is very important to understand wildlife and why we should preserve them. If you remember, I came here last year. Me and my wife drove to the Pench Tiger Reserve. We didn't have any tiger sightings at that time, but the place was amazing. Would love to visit again. Maybe on the way back, if we have time, we will try to stay here for a day or two. Highly unlikely, but if we have time, we'll definitely try doing it. Because this is better than staying in the hotels or cities anytime. Yeah. Congratulations on 10,000, 90,000 more to go. Okay, 1 lakh. I finished 50,000 kilometers on Streetwin and 850 in India. We started around 8 o'clock in the morning, and it's been what, 7.5 hours of a ride. Another 420 kilometers to Agra. For now, we're keeping the destination open. Maybe we'll decide around 6 o'clock. It can be Gwalior, Delhi, based on 6:30 how we feel. We can push it beyond Agra also, or stop earlier at Gwalior. We'll decide once we are close to the destination and once we reach 6 or 7 o'clock. But so far, pretty good. Bad cow. A lot of cows here in Madhya Pradesh. We are another 130 kilometers from Jhansi. If you have seen my original Leh series, this stretch, especially Sagar to Jhansi, is where I hit a barricade. My foot got injured. In case you are interested in knowing what the background story to that is, go check out that series. But that was the first time I had a big accident on a bike, and I just passed that location. There are no barricades anymore. It's just an empty checkpost. So it's just coming since 50 kilometers slightly slowly to make sure I don't miss that, and also make sure I'm focused, because it's 3:20 right now, hot weather. We just had lunch like 1.5 hours back, so every chance you can feel sleepy. My only motto whenever I'm riding a motorcycle is take a break every 1 hour, quick water break or a stretching break. If you feel sleepy, stop by the side, have a quick power nap, 15-20 minutes, you should be fine. Then head to the location. And if you maintain decent speeds, you won't be so tired enough by the time you reach the destination. We have done almost 550 kilometers, and in 7.5 hours, we are still not feeling any tiredness yet. Just wanted to share that memory, not the most memorable, just not the most sweet memory, but still all these evolve you into a better rider. Stretching his legs, the climb boy. One way to relax when you have big bikes. Just saddle up for a while, you'll be relaxing your legs. But anyway, I think in 10 minutes we'll just stop for a quick water break, and then we should probably reach Jhansi by 5 o'clock. After that, Gwalior and Agra. We'll see where we go tonight. That's the fun of adventure riding and in a group who are well disciplined. We don't fix on a destination, but at the same time we're also practical how much we can do. Shriman has a dark tinted visor, so his night riding would be limited. Some of us have auxiliary rides, some of us don't. Night time in Madhya Pradesh and UP with all these cows on the road can be tricky, so one has to be very careful. We can easily count up to 100 cows that we have seen so far, probably much more. So drive safe in case you're coming on this route. Just stopped here for a quick water break. It's 39 degrees, but feels probably like 44, 45.
This is the hottest temperature I've ridden.
But you said Kanyakumari, that was...
No, that's what it feels like, 45. I've ridden in 45.
Oh boy, we covered almost 8 hours and 350 kilometers, another 7 hours to go. We'll see as we go. But just 15-20 kilometers back, you remember the famous memorable spot?
Which delayed our trip by 4 hours.
2 hours.
Morning 2 hours for
Morning
sure.
2 hours for
This
sure.
was a street triple and 2 hours for your.
Oh, that was the same Sagar Delhi ride, right? But this time we're covering
Good pace this time.
almost we're near
Very good
Jhansi.
pace.
Indi
1250, huh?
1250 wala. Okay, we're doing well on 850 also.
We have to drag it. He has to push and we have to drag. మధ్యలో
బాగా పెట్టుకుని ఎంజాయ్ చేస్తున్నారు ఇద్దరు ద సక్క బాయ్స్.
What's your fascination with sucking cherry?
నాకా నీకా
నీకురా.
వచ్చినప్పుడు నుంచి చిక్కుతున్నావు ఎవరికి రా?
It's important to stay hydrated.
అది హైడ్రేషన్ కోసంలా లేదు,
ట్రిప్ స్టార్ట్ అయినప్పటి నుంచి
వాటర్ ఉన్నా లేకపోయినా చిక్కుతారు.
ఇంత అయింది.
వాటర్ లేకపోయినా చిక్కుతారు కావాలని
ఉండే pipe.
ఫీల్ కోసం. అది ఎల్లో కలర్లో అయింది పైపు.
ముందు నుంచి అట్లే ఉంది. It's climb to protect from UV radiation.
ఇది
బ్లూ క్లోరినేటెడ్
Self chlorination.
స్విమ్మింగ్ పూల్ లైట్
700 7000 డీకాథ్లాన్. We are in Datia and there is a tourism hotel or resort where we stop for lunch. Last time we came around 2 o'clock I guess or 1 o'clock when we started from Sagar. Things have changed a lot here. At that time there was only a single lane road if I remember, and now there is a 4-lane road, multiple fuel stations. This is for Aditya. The rain didn't change. It's raining here. Till now we didn't face any rain. Funny man. Just want to give Aditya a shout out because he missed it and wanted to show him that place too. You know, some rides are all about endurance. This one is actually the longest I've ever ridden. We have clocked roughly 910 kilometers or something, close to 1000. We are 160 kilometers from our hotel or Delhi. We never set any targets in our mind. We didn't want to beat any records. Safety was the utmost priority. We wanted to know how everyone feels about it. If even one person is not 100% sure about completing this or uncomfortable doing it, we would have stopped Naga. Last time in 2018 when we came, we started from Sagar and we reached this point, exactly this service station. The food court's closed now, obviously because of the pandemic, but we reached much later in the night. Today we'll potentially reach the hotel by 3:30, which is fine because tomorrow is a rest day. We're gonna completely chill. What I'm trying to convey is some endurance rides need Red Bull at the end of it, not the beginning. If you're having this in the beginning, you're trying to push stuff. How are you feeling?
Good.
You're fine? Good? We are finally completing the target of 1000 that you've been craving for.
I don't know about numbers, but I'm happy that I'm doing Nagpur.
So, Nagpur to Delhi. Shiva, first time 1000 kilometers, kada? We're at 920 now. Anything you want to say for people who think we're trying to make records or build records? This was just...
trying to make build records. 15 hours of sleep yesterday after reaching from Nagpur.
Chaitanya, still have energy to push? So all of us are in good state.
Do you want to push till Jammu?
That would be too much. Never ordered Zomato at 4:30 a.m. in the morning. This is the first time I'm doing that. Like 4:30 a.m. being awake is very rare for me. Shiva, probably not 4:30 ఎప్పుడైనా ఉంటావా?
4:30
Weekends. He gets up at 4:30 on the weekends. Doesn't want to waste the weekend.
ఇది వీకెండ్ కదా, ఇది సాటర్డే.
He had
ఇప్పుడు పడుకోడు నెక్స్ట్ 48 hours పడుకోడు ఇంకా.
రేపు పడుకోకూడదు, రేపు కవి బర్త్డే.
oh sweet. Advance birthday wishes to Kavita from Shiva.
ఫోన్ చేస్తా.
He had
చెప్పండి.
అంటే టీ ఇది తర్వాత వస్తుందిరా, చెప్పినట్టు ఉంటుంది కదా.
పిల్లడే చెప్పరా ఇప్పుడే.
He had full energy till he reached the hotel. Once he reached the hotel, it's like somebody sucked life out of him. He was like almost ready to explode volcano.
So once we entered the city, it was rough. Yeah, it was frustrating because the destination never seemed to arrive.
Yeah, Delhi is
That
big.
happens in the city. And that expressway, man. That
First time riding in Delhi?
I think so. మనం రాలేదు ముందు రాజస్థాన్ అప్పుడు రాలేదు. Yeah, then first time.
Yeah. He came quite a few times, so for him it's not anything new.
This would have been true for any city, kada.
No, this is much bigger. You keep going and going. There are so many expressways, right? And you have to maintain a certain speed. We had decent energy for a 19-hour ride, 1100 kilometers. Like, I never did beyond 750 kilometers in my life. This is the first time I did 1100, and I was surprised how much energy we had. But for now, we are all tired, and tomorrow is going to be a rest day.
ఇప్పుడు దగ్గర ఆర్టీపీసీఆర్ ఎక్కడ ఉందో చూడు.
That's one thing for tomorrow. Chalo, we'll catch you guys in the next video. Next video, it's going to be much more scenic. So stay tuned and stay subscribed. Stay subscribed. Bye bye.
Stay safe anta anukunnanu. Stay safe anta.
Stay safe, stay indoors. And ఇప్పుడు మనమే బయట చెప్తే ఏముంది?
మన ఇండోర్స్ అన్నా బ్రో.